How to withdraw Sweatcoin to bank account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can withdraw Sweatcoin to bank account. Now, unfortunately, there is no option to cash out your Sweatcoin balance to real money. However, you can purchase one of the PayPal or Amazon vouchers if you want to withdraw funds from Sweatcoin. Now for this, you want to open the Sweatcoin app on your device. If you do not have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Then make sure to sign into your account. Now Sweatcoin is a fitness app that tracks your steps and exercise then pays in rewards. While there is no direct way to cash out your coins on Sweatcoin, you can cash out using rewards. Now if you want to do that, all you have to do is tap on the shop option at the bottom of your screen. Now this page will appear with all the shopping offers. Now you will have different gift cards over here. Tap on PayPal or Amazon reward. This will open up the specific offer and instructions to purchase. Now here it says you need to earn a specific amount of sweat coin to enter. So you simply want to earn more sweat coins. After this, you're also going to find out all the informations about how to claim over here. All you want to do now is follow the instructions listed over here. You will need to access your email to continue. Then tap on the buy option. This will redeem your sweat coins and send you cash after you follow the steps listed over here. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.